Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to save your favorite ideas from Pinterest so you can easily access them anytime. First, log into Pinterest and then browse your feed or use the search bar for the pins you like. Next, when you find a pin you like, tap it to open it fully. Next, click the save button. Pinterest will ask you to select a board. If you don't have a board yet, create a new one, which I have another tutorial video. You can go watch it and I will be putting the link in the description. Next, organizing pin into boards helps you keep your ideas sorted. For example, you can have separate boards for travel idea, DIY projects, your musics and stuffs. For creating boards, also I have another video which you can just go through in my profile. Once saved, you can easily access it anytime by going to your profile and opening the relevant board. You can also move pins between boards if needed, and that's it. Now you know how to save and organize your Pinterest ideas. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Pinterest tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next